Here is another informational sign honoring Ray Atkeson. And we are right across from Sparks Lake. At Sparks Lake is the Ray Atkeson Memorial Trail, so this is fitting. He was a famous photographer of nature, and this is framed right at the base, the edge of Sparks Lake, with mighty Mount Bachelor in the background, creating a hauntingly beautiful silhouette. Very awesome. We're here at Cascade Scenic Byway just before Devil's Lake. Let's get a little closer. Show you some history. Ray Atkeson. Very cool.